Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make fire cider. Fire cider is an immunity boosting folk remedy. It is commonly taken to help reduce cold, flu, and sinus symptoms. The ingredients needed to make fire cider are horseradish root, turmeric root, ginger root, a whole head of garlic, lemons, onion, apple cider vinegar with the mother, and raw honey. Optional ingredients that I'm using today are rosemary and burdock root. You will also need a large sealable container to store the fire cider in. The first step in making fire cider is by washing all of your ingredients. After washing, cut the fresh roots into smaller pieces so everything fits into the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can finely chop the roots by hand or use a food grater. Since this is a folk remedy, I don't measure the ingredients, but I provided estimates in the description below. Next, peel the garlic balls and add those with the roots to the food processor. Process the roots and garlic until fine. Add the roots and garlic to the container. Next, slice and juice your lemons into the container. Then chop the onion and the jalapenos. Add the onion, jalapenos, rosemary, and burdock root into your container. Pour the apple cider vinegar over the ingredients in the container and give it a stir. Put a piece of wax paper over the container and add the lid. You will want to store the fire cider in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks while the mixture ferments. After 4 to 6 weeks, use a strainer, cheesecloth, or in my case, a nut milk bag to strain out the solids and pour the vinegar in a clean jar. You may want to wear gloves to squeeze the vinegar out because the turmeric will stain your hands. Lastly, add a teaspoon or 2 of honey to your jar and stir. You can add more honey if you desire. Now that your fire cider is complete, you can take 1 to 2 tablespoons straight and drink as needed, or you can add it to salads or vegetables. You can store the concealed container in your fridge for up to 18 months. Don't forget to compost your leftover solids. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think of the fire cider in the comments below.